Hello, welcome to Moving Violations. It's Russ LeBlanc, your NEC consultant for EC&M Magazine. No clips on those cables, and we could debate whether they're exposed to physical damage since they're next to this walkway. So that may be a violation of 230.51B1 if they're not properly protected. The lack of clips and supports, that's a whole nother problem. See, there's very few clips. There's a couple up there, but not nearly enough. 230.51A requires service entrance cables to be secured or strapped within 12 inches of that weatherhead and within 12 inches of where it enters the enclosure. That certainly looks like more than 12 inches. And then after that, it's every 30 inches they need to be supported. But this cable has, I think, only two. Looks like one clip up the top, one clip there, and then nothing else. One other problem. This connector looks kind of loose. Looks like some water might be able to get inside there, and that can cause all kinds of problems.